Hello again, Zach Jones here from Recruit. I'm coming to you today from Baltimore, and the sun is setting on Inner Harbor behind me, and it is a beautiful view. But right now, I want to talk to you about some very exciting news. This January, Recruit is hosting the Community College Digital Workshop. This is a 2-day workshop taking place in beautiful Orlando that is all about digital marketing and only for community college marketers. It is laser focused, and there has never been anything like it. This sponsor-free event has one focus: give every attendee knowledge to solve the most pressing marketing problems they're facing, and to give you confidence in your digital strategy. Presenters include marketers from multiple community colleges, as well as us at Recruit, with every session led by a true expert on the topic. No hidden sales pitches, just incredible benefits. As of today, registration is now open, and the super early bird discount, a $200 discount, is available through October 15th. Use promo code SUPER to get this discount. You don't want to miss out on that. To learn more and to register and reserve your spot, visit communitycollegedigitalworkshop.com right now. This is going to be not just a lot of fun, but this is also going to be the best way to kick off 2020 and get your college's digital strategy on the right track. Visit communitycollegedigitalworkshop.com right now, and I'll see you in January.